Hi all, I'm gonna show you today how I made this blank dial Seiko Mod. Let's start with the case. I selected the classic SKX007. It's solid, it's nice, and I love this black color. To create a little bit of color contrast, I have selected this rose gold chapter ring that I think it will match perfectly with classic rose gold hands. Crystal is a blue double dome AR. I think it will accent the rose gold in the chapter ring and the hands. I have selected this black bezel. It makes the watch look solid. I think these classic rose gold hands are going to stand out on a black background. That's why I select them. The movement I have selected for the Seiko build is a classic NH36 with the crown at 4 o'clock. It's one of the most reliable movements from Seiko. You can buy it online for about between 35 and 50 British pounds a pop. I will leave you the link in the description so you can have a look and you can buy it online. Blank black dial. You can get it for about 25 pounds a pop online. Then I remove the dial feed to make sure it's going to fit perfectly on the movement. Now, in order to mount the case onto the movement, I remove the crown temporarily. The hands are mounted onto the dial, and then I will mount the case. Chapter ring is installed, and then I install the crystal gasket so I can mount the crystal with a press. I mount the crown, which has already been cut to size. If you're not sure how to do this step, please have a look at my other videos. And now we mount the bezel ring that we all know and love, the one that makes a watch go click, 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 and then mount the bezel with a press. After I mount the bezel, I just make sure it works, and then I mount the bezel ring. From all the bezel rings that I've ever used in my channel, this is the weirdest, because, well, it doesn't have any fancy numbers or GMT or world timer, nothing super Luminova worthy. I think it's just going to fit that blank dial. And here you have it. This is the final result. See how the rose gold contrasts with the blank black dial. I think it's nice. I also made a different version with a red AR crystal, but that's a subject for another video. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you at the next build.